Imagine this. You wake up tomorrow morning, you open YouTube, and your channel is gone. No subscribers, no videos, no views. Everything you built completely deleted. Now the question is, what would you do next? If I had to start a YouTube channel again from zero, I would do things very differently. Because most new YouTubers waste months, sometimes years, doing the wrong things. But if I had to restart today, I would follow 3 very specific strategies that could grow a channel faster than ever before. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what they are. Starting a YouTube channel is exciting, but for most people, reality hits very quickly. You upload your first video, then the second, then the third, and after all that effort, you check your analytics and you see something like this: 5 views, sometimes even worse, 0 views. This is the moment where most people quit YouTube. But here's the truth. Growing on YouTube is not about luck. It's about understanding how the platform actually works. So if I had to start again today, these are the 3 things I would focus on immediately. Let's talk about what most people do wrong, because these mistakes kill more channels than anything else. Mistake number 1. Uploading random videos. New YouTubers often try everything. One video about tech, another about motivation, then maybe a vlog, then maybe gaming. But here's the problem. YouTube's algorithm doesn't know who to recommend your content to. And if the algorithm is confused, your videos won't get pushed. Mistake number 2. Focusing too much on subscribers. Many beginners believe the goal is to get subscribers, but that's not how YouTube works. YouTube doesn't push videos because you have subscribers. YouTube pushes videos because people watch them. Views create subscribers, not the other way around. And mistake number 3. Making videos that nobody is searching for. You could make the best video in the world, but if nobody cares about the topic, nobody will click. So if I had to start YouTube again, I would avoid all these mistakes from day one. Strategy first. Niche clarity. The first thing I would do is choose a very clear niche. Not something broad like entertainment or education, but something specific. For example, instead of technology, you could focus on smartphone tips. Instead of motivation, you could focus on self-discipline for men. Instead of gaming, you could focus on Minecraft survival tips. Why is this important? Because YouTube needs to understand your channel. When you consistently upload videos about one topic, YouTube starts recommending your content to the right audience. And once that happens, growth becomes much easier. So step 1, if I start it again, pick one niche and stick to it. Strategy second, clickable titles and thumbnails. The second thing I would focus on is clickability, because YouTube is very simple. If nobody clicks your video, nobody will watch it. And if nobody watches, the algorithm will stop recommending it. Think about it. Every time someone opens YouTube, they see dozens of videos, but they only click one. So your thumbnail and title must answer one question. Why should someone click this video instead of the others? For example, instead of writing a title like "How to grow on YouTube," you could write "Why your YouTube videos get 0 views." Which one sounds more interesting? Curiosity creates clicks. Emotion creates clicks. Clear results create clicks. So if I had to start again, I would spend more time designing thumbnails than editing videos. Because without clicks, the video doesn't matter. Strategy third, make videos people already want. The third strategy is something many beginners ignore, and it's probably the most powerful one. Instead of guessing what videos to make, I would study what is already working. Look at successful videos in your niche. Which topics are getting millions of views? Which titles appear again and again? Which thumbnails grab attention? This doesn't mean copying. It means understanding what people want to watch. For example, if videos about how to grow on YouTube are performing well, you could create videos like 7 mistakes new YouTubers make, or why your videos get no views. You are entering a proven demand, and when you combine demand with quality, you dramatically increase your chances of success. The real secret most new YouTubers don't realize: success on YouTube is not about making one viral video. It's about making many good videos consistently. Your first video might get 20 views, your second might get 50, your 10th might get 200. But one day, something interesting happens. You upload a video and suddenly it gets 10,000 views. Then another gets 50,000. Then another hits 100,000. This is when YouTube finally understands your audience and your channel begins to grow faster. But the people who reach this stage are the ones who didn't quit when the views were low. So if I had to start a YouTube channel again today, this is exactly what I would do. First, choose a clear niche. Second, focus on thumbnails and titles that people actually want to click. Third, create videos about topics people are already searching for. If you combine these three things and stay consistent, you give yourself the best possible chance to grow, because YouTube success isn't magic, it's strategy. If you're serious about growing on YouTube, you should watch this next video, because in that video, I break down the 7 biggest mistakes new YouTubers make, and fixing even one of them could completely change your channel. So click the video on the screen right now, and I'll see you there.